Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. I may be late to this party, but I recently discovered an amazing animated series on Netflix, being Arcane. It's based on the game League of Legends, and I have to say, the story is amazing, the art style is phenomenal, and even the soundtrack really blew my mind. And I thought it was a fun idea to draw the two main characters of this series in my own style. So let's turn around the camera and let's start drawing. Arcane is an animated action-adventure series created by Christian Link and Alex Yee for Netflix. Produced by Fortiche and Riot Games, it is set in the League of Legends fictional universe and focuses on the sisters Vi and Jinx. The series was announced at the League of Legends 10th anniversary celebration in 2019 and first released in November 2021. Arcane's first season was released to critical acclaim, with praise directed at its animation, story, world-building, characters' emotional weight, and voice acting. Some have noted the series' appeal to both casual viewers who have never played League of Legends and long-time fans of the game. On November 20th, 2021, following the conclusion of Arcane's first season, Riot Games and Netflix announced that a second season was in production for a post-2022 release. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Based on the world behind League of Legends, Arcane dives into the delicate balance between the rich utopian city of Piltover and the seedy, oppressed underground of Zaun. Many of the most brilliant minds call these cities home, but the creation of Hextech, a way for any person to control magical energy, threatens that balance. The story follows the origin of two iconic League of Legends champions, Vi and Jinx, and the power that will tear them apart. Like the game on which it is based, Arcane is aimed at a 16+ audience and will deal with some more adult subject matter. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I really hope you liked my Arcane illustration, and if you did, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!